everyone. Today I'm back again with the topic idioms over here. Let's start then. The very first one is wait behind the bush. Over here, it is used in a situation where a person is talking something irrelevant or he is distracted from the actual topic. In the second one, it says pass the bucks. Over here, when the person hands over the responsibility to someone else. The third idiom says fish out of the water. Over here, it's a situation where a person feels uncomfortable. In the fourth idiom, it is couch potato, that is the lethargic person who is very inactive. The next one says hot potato. In this, it's talked about the hot topic or the recent one. The next one and the last one says zero tolerance. Over here, the person who doesn't have the tolerance tendency. Thank you so much for watching our video. Do wait for our next video and do not forget to subscribe our channel Arts Learning. Thank you.